Alright folks, here we are. You see Kyle back there. My little brother just let my brother-in-law and I know that he is going to be having another child, which is wonderful. He decided that it is a perfect time to go ahead and get real dangerous. So he's got his bulletproof vest on there, as you can see, and silenced AR, and he's real happy. And the reason why is because inside that tree trunk is a whole bunch of good stuff. We've got 3.5 pounds of binary explosive plus 1 37mm grenade, kind of in the middle of all that. It's actually within one of the containers of explosive, the one he's actually targeting to shoot. So we're going to see what happens, and I'm going to go hide behind this car while Kyle shoots it. And oh god. Okay, you good? Do it! And that is how you do it. Whoa! And the new father is going off, apparently. Ooh. Alright. It was interesting. Holy cow! That is gone. Wow. Did you just unload that sidearm?
Yeah.
Nice.